Hi everyone, welcome to the latest video from Oakleigh Watches where we're going to be looking at the Oris Ocean Trilogy. So, really lovely Oris box here. What if I was to tell you that this wasn't one watch in this box, but one of the rarest modern Oris collections ever produced? This is the Oris Ocean Trilogy. It's a set so exclusive that they only made 200 worldwide. And this is an unworn, low-numbered full set. Let's have a look. So immediately you can see this is not your standard presentation box. The actual case here is made from recycled PET plastic. So this plastic that made this case up has been taken out of the oceans and recycled. This reinforces Oris's message about clean oceans, and that's what this set is all about. Inside are three of Oris's most sought-after limited edition watches. Let's have a look at them individually. First, we have the Oris Aquis Great Barrier Reef 3. Created to raise awareness of the protection of one of the world's most important natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef 3 has got a beautiful blue dial, a fantastic unidirectional bezel, and is on this highly polished bracelet that just makes it pop. Absolutely stunning. The next is the Oris Clean Ocean Limited Edition. This watch has been inspired by the fight against plastic pollution in our oceans. It's a smaller scale watch at 39.5 millimeters. Still got the same beautiful graduated blue dial and unidirectional bezel on the highly polished bracelet. Finally, we have the Oris Blue Whale Limited Edition Chronograph. This is the large-scale one. It is made to celebrate the ocean's most iconic and endangered species, the blue whale. Each of these three watches tells its own story, and when you put them together, they represent one of the most meaningful collections that Oris has ever produced. These watches aren't just collectible because of the story. Let's just pull one and have a look. So this is the Blue Whale Chronograph. It's powered by a Swiss automatic mechanical movement. It's got scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and is based on the Oris Aquis platform that has been well known and popular for years. It's one of the best everyday luxury dive watches on the planet. The great thing about Oris watches is they're practical, they're beautifully engineered, they're genuinely wearable because of the price point they sit at and their rugged ability to withstand wear. The particular set of three is even more impressive, to be honest. It's a 2019 full set and it's unworn. All the stickers are here, all the papers, all the books, complete with everything supplied by Oris from new. So it's got the trilogy presentation case, it's got the warranty cards, it's got the manuals, it's got the booklets, the accessories, and for collectors, it's exactly what you want to see. Now, finding one of these limited edition watches in any condition is really quite tricky. Finding all three together in unworn condition in the original presentation case with the papers, exceptionally rare. Whether you're an Oris collector, someone looking for something genuinely different, it's well worth looking at. These don't come along very often. And at £7,950, you're getting three collectible, wearable daily watches for less than the price of one from the bigger Swiss manufacturers. As of the date that we published this video, this collection is available to buy on our website. Probably won't be there for very long, so if you're interested, jump to it. If you enjoy videos like this, looking at rare collectible watches, interesting stories, unboxing videos, please like, please subscribe, please share, and we will see you next time.